In this video, I'm going to explain simple phasing operation. Simple phasing CNC program. Now let us can take an example of workpiece that is fixed on the lathe chuck, and the workpiece is 100 mm diameter. So we want to make the phasing of 8 mm on the face. We want to machining the 8 mm depth of the material we want to remove on the face. Now we can use the simple phasing operation. So for you can see that here at the center of the workpiece, that is the coordinates are 0, 0, x is 0 and z is 0. So for every mission we define the reference point. Okay, the tool will start from the reference point. So now we have to give the N10, G21, G98. This is the block, that is N indicates the block. What number is assigned, that number indicates the block number. You can give any programmer, they are giving their own style. Here I am giving the 10, 15, 20 like that, or you can give the N1, 2, 3 or N5, 10, 15 like that, is up to you. So G21 indicates the metric units, G98 indicates the feet per minute, G99 is a feet per revolution, that we remember. So N50, G28, U0, W0. It indicates the homing position. Tool will move to the home position. You can see that at reference point, the tool will move to the homing position. Then you can assign the required tool at homing position. M06 indicates the assigning the tool. Which tool? T02. That is the tool change will take place here. Next, you can assign the spindle speed. Here I am assigning the S1000 and M03 indicate the spindle starts rotating. Set spindle speed and start spindle rotating in clockwise direction. And next, tool will come from the reference point to the tool entry point. Now I want to define the tool entry point exactly at the Z value and the little above the workpiece, that's 5 mm taken above the workpiece. Workpiece is 100 mm diameter. Now I am taking X105. That is the tool entry point. Go to the start or entry point 1. So that you can see that in this image, that is point 1. So the tool will move from reference point to the point 1. Then the tool will move. G01 indicates the linear movement of the tool from the point 1 to the point 2 with a given depth, that is the feed. Here assigning the feed is 55 mm per minute. Turn to the depth of cut 4 mm with feed rate 55 mm per minute and tool move to the point 2. You can see that the tool is moving from 1 to 2. Then the tool will move vertical downward direction in x up to the x minus 5. You can assign the 0 also, but sometimes there is some material is left over on the workpiece. Better you can extend behind the 0 so that any material on the workpiece will be removed. That's why given x minus 5. So tool move to the point 3, just 5 mm below the center. So now the tool is moving from 2 to 3. Tool move to point 3. Then it will move to the 0, that is the point 4. Tool move to the point 4. Then the tool again will move to the point 1, that is G00, X105, because this movement that there is no cutting takes place. So we are assigning the rapid movement G00, the rapid back to the starting point 1. Next, because we want to cut up to 8 mm. So N55, G01, Z minus 8, F55. So tool move to the point 5. Then again the tool come to the X minus 5. The tool move to the point 6. So vertically the tool is moving from point 5 to point 6. Then again it will go to the 0. That is the point 4. Tool move to the point 4. Then again go to the starting point G00, X105. Rapid back to the start point 1. So in these two process, first process the 4 mm material is removed And the second process, 8 mm material is removed. So we want only 8 mm. So complete machining is over. Then from the starting point, again it go back to the homing portion. That is the N75G28U0W0 indicates the tool is moving from starting point to the reference point, homing portion. Then after reaching the homing portion, spindle stop. So M05 spindle stop rotating. Then M30. The M30 is a program is stop and rewind. Program is stop and rewind. This is a simple the facing operation. I hope everyone can understand how the simple facing operation could write the program.